Do you want to live long and prosper with your investments? If so, stick around and I'll tell you how.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Captain's Log Supplemental.
On September 8th, 1966, Star Trek premieres. On that day, televisions carried viewers where few had dared to dream and where no show had gone before.
Fascinating.
The maiden voyage of Star Trek aired on NBC, launching the Starship Enterprise and its crew on an uncharted mission to explore strange new worlds. Created by Gene Roddenberry amid a landscape of westerns and police procedurals, Star Trek was a gamble, equal parts social commentary, science fiction, and speculative hope. The show's original run lasted just 3 seasons. At the time, it flirted with cancellation, drew modest ratings, and was dismissed by many as too cerebral for mainstream tastes.
Illogical.
Yet Roddenberry's vision endured, and what started as a cult favorite became a multi-billion-dollar franchise, spawning movies, spin-offs, and a legacy of inspiring innovation. Star Trek proved that what feels risky, niche, or out of step with the crowd can reshape the future when backed by conviction, adaptability, and a willingness to see beyond the status quo. Yeah, I know we've talked about Star Trek before, but here are 4 new lessons for the modern investor from Star Trek's improbable ascent. First of all, sometimes your vision outlasts volatility. Right? Star Trek didn't dominate the Nielsen ratings or cash in quickly. Its real value was revealed only over time. So for investors, the lesson is clear. A long-term perspective and deep conviction are often required before misunderstood assets, strategies, or ideas finally earn their keep. So ignore the day-to-day ratings and focus on the core story and why you're holding on for a longer journey. Next up, diversification drives survival. The Enterprise crew thrived on complementary skills. Spock's logic, McCoy's emotions, Scott's engineering, and his improvisation. If one system failed, another took over. Diversification in investing works the same way. A broad mix of assets, styles, and approaches helps portfolios survive sudden shocks, weird anomalies, or moments when the market seems downright alien.
This episode of the History Lessons podcast is sponsored by Victory Independent Planning. Hey, are you ready to take the stress out of your retirement? At Victory Independent Planning, we put you on the right trajectory with our exclusive VIP retirement glide path. Our smart approach prepares you for what's next by optimizing your sources of savings and income, your medical and healthcare planning, your advanced estate and giving strategies, risk management and investing, and tax planning. Let us help you glide into retirement with confidence. Text GlidePath to 239-567-5477. That's GlidePath, all one word, small letter G, to 239-567-5477 and receive a link to schedule a complimentary consultation. Do it today to start your journey on the VIP retirement glide path, because your future deserves a safe landing.
Third, embrace your calculated risks, but know your shields. Yeah, exploration is essential, but Star Trek also taught careful boundary setting. The Prime Directive, shields, and red alerts preserved the mission when the unknown proved dangerous. In markets, innovative thinking is vital, but so are hedges and defined risk parameters. So by all means, chase your opportunities, but always respect your safeguards and know what you're willing to lose on any away mission. Last up, adaptability. That's going to fuel longevity. The original show was canceled. The next generation literally adapted and thrived. Syndication, conventions, and an evolving cast kept Star Trek alive, relevant, and lucrative year after year. Investors must do the same. They have to review their strategies as conditions or technologies change. You have to prune what no longer works, and you have to keep searching for new frontiers rather than clinging doggedly to the past.
Live long and prosper.
Final thought here. When Star Trek launched, it wasn't playing to win the ratings war of 1966. It was building a world that would matter decades later. In investing, just as in the future Gene Roddenberry imagined, real legacy belongs to those who dare to look past today's noise and chart a course committed to big ideas, calculated risks, and persistent adaptation. As Captain James T. Kirk might just say, set your investments to explore, but remember to keep Scotty on speed dial, just in case.
Aye, sir.
Beam me up.